You should see his little eyes. Oh, he's loving that. It's almost like he's hypnotised by it.
Oh, Digger. Isn't that nice? Gosh, lovely ice cream. Yum yum. Oh, crunches. He loves it, doesn't he? Dear little chap.
I still think it was a shame we didn't get a video of him in Eep.
Yes, never mind. There, Digger. Isn't that nice? Gosh. There's still a bit left, Digger.
Thank you.